Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the sideways single crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the sideways single crochet stitch, so this is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. You're then going to work one single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then you're going to work one single crochet into each chain across for your first row. I will then show you how to make the next row on the row that I am currently working. It is just going to be one row repeated for however long you want your project. So on the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain on my hook. Into the first stitch, you're going to make one single crochet. You're going to skip the next stitch, but you're going to work a single crochet into the next one. Now into that stitch that you just skipped, in front of the single crochet you just made, you're going to work a single crochet into that stitch that you skipped. Again, you're going to skip this next stitch, work a single crochet in the next one. Into that skipped stitch, you're going to work a single crochet. It's going to be worked in front of the one you just made. Skip this stitch, work a single in the next. Into that stitch you just skipped, make a single crochet. Skip this stitch, work a single in the next. In that skipped stitch, work a single crochet like normal. Skip this stitch, work a single in the next. Make a single crochet into that skipped stitch. That's how those are looking. Skip one stitch, work a single in the next. Into that skipped stitch, work a single crochet. Skip one stitch, work a single crochet in the next. Into that skipped stitch, work a single crochet. Skip one stitch, work a single in the next. Then make a single crochet into that skipped stitch over the single crochet you just made. Skip one stitch, work a single crochet in the next. Then make a single crochet into that skipped stitch. Skip one stitch, work a single crochet in the next. Then work a single crochet into that skipped stitch. And that's how that row is looking. So like I said earlier, you would just repeat this row for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the sideways single crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.